Hey everybody, I'm Josh.
And I'm Rachael.
And today we are trying out Yardbird at Venetian. First time here, super excited.
Yeah, we've tried to come before and we didn't realize we needed reservations, so today we made reservations.
Yep. So we're starting off with a couple of beers. Cheers.
Cheers.
Let's go.
Let's go.
Here we go.
All right, first course, deviled eggs. You know we like them?
Yeah.
This one is big.
It is big. I was hoping to do one bite, but I don't know if I can.
I think we could do it.
Smoked trout roe on top?
I don't know if it was smoked, but it is trout roe and chives.
Yeah.
Let's go for it.
Cheers.
It does seem smoky.
I get a good chive flavor.
I was gonna say I actually get a lot of I get a lot of saltiness from the trout roe.
Okay, good.
Yeah, it seems smoky, salty, that strong chive. I think they're really good. It can be done in one bite.
It takes
I don't know that I
to it, obviously.
Yeah, I don't know if I recommend it, but it is very good. I recommend the eggs, not eating in one bite.
I agree with you. It is just really good.
Yep. All right, main course is here. We do have some fried chicken.
Which this place is known for their fried chicken.
Yeah, we ended up with a wing, a thigh, a leg, and a breast.
Yep.
And then we also got the Nashville hot chicken. So we're gonna start with the fried chicken, hoping that it's the Nashville hot won't blow out our palates. So.
That's right. And the sandwich did come with a side of fries automatically.
Right, so you already get a side by doing it that
Yep.
way.
Yeah. I like that. It's just a classic fried chicken. A little bit of salt with that crunch.
Yeah, not overly seasoned. I was kind of anticipating it being like the stuff we had in New Orleans, but it doesn't have the heat that we did there. Now it does, there is some hot sauce that they bring, but we want to try it natural first.
I think it's really good. Willie Mays in New Orleans still wins.
Yeah.
But this is a really good fried chicken.
I agree. I'm going to try dipping it just a little in this sauce.
Yeah, I like that fried chicken. I can eat that. All right. I'm going to stick to a fry first before I hit that sandwich. Looks like it's a buttermilk ranch, maybe?
Yeah. The fries they're fairly standard looking fries. They look like they're probably pre-frozen.
Yeah, they
They're
got a
fine.
good seasoning on them. They taste
Well
good.
seasoned, yeah. I did like the chicken with the hot sauce.
Did you? Okay, I'll have to try that next. All right, I'm gonna go in for this. I was hoping you could see that. It's pretty thick. There's coleslaw on it, lettuce, tomato, a chili pepper, I think.
I think there was a chili on there.
Yeah. And then it looks like almost a dry seasoning, not a wet seasoning.
It is a dry seasoning. It is hot.
In the description it said Carolina Reaper. And I think that's legit. It's pretty spicy. And we like spice. Yeah, that's warm.
From the looks of it, it does look like it's a dark meat, which I'm very happy to see.
I agree.
Yeah, there's a good kick to it. It's not overly hot though, to the point where like I have to put it down and like chug some milk.
It's got a good flavor to the heat. But if you have if you're not a fan of spicy, you probably shouldn't go for that.
Don't get this one.
I'm gonna take that pepper off.
All right, welcome to the dessert course. If you didn't notice, it was really, really loud in there.
And kind of dark.
Yeah, and we looked at the dessert menu, and actually none of it was calling to us. I was really looking forward to something with banana cream, pudding, pie, whatever.
Yep.
Nothing. So, a couple of halves for the road.
Good news is they're local Nevada brews, at least all their draft beers.
Yes.
So that was cool because, you know, we love craft beer and we've been trying to find a place. So now we know Yardbird has local craft brews on tap.
Definitely one of the best on taps that we've seen.
Yep.
Overall, I thought that it was a really good meal, and honestly, it ended up being, it would have been under $100 without beers.
Yep. And that's tax and tip included.
Yeah. I thought the deviled eggs were a great starter. I thought that the fried chicken was good. It's definitely not the best I've ever had.
No.
But I would take it and eat it again for sure.
It was very, very moist with a great amount of seasoning. Very classic seasoning, like a salted fry.
Like
so good.
Even the chicken breast was not dry at all. It was very moist, good flavor. The sandwich I liked a bit. I don't know if you did as much.
I thought I wasn't so fond of the powdered seasoning on it.
The dry rub
on it. Just a personal preference. It tasted good. It had a nice kick to it. I also took the extra stuff off, like lettuce, tomato. I didn't need all that on there, but I don't prefer that on my sandwiches anyhow. So it's totally a preference.
But overall, I think we were pretty happy with Yardbird. If you're enjoying our videos, don't forget to hit that like and subscribe.
You can also follow us on social media, Facebook, Instagram, and Twitter. All our links are down below.
Thank you.